Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details. I recently had a viewer request a specific video to be done on how I clean my customers' tires and wheels using a rinseless wash method. Most people are very comfortable with doing a rinseless wash on their paint, but they may not know that you can use the same exact principles to clean your tires and wheels, and so we're going to demonstrate how I do that here. To clean our tires and wheels, we're going to start off with Shine Supply Wise Guy. This is a great tire and wheel cleaner. Once everything has been cleaned, we're going to be using Purist Wheel Protectant to help make maintenance easier for the customer moving forward and dress our tires with my favorite dressing, CarPro Pearl. And obviously the most important ingredient is our rinseless wash in our bucket, along with a soft tip flagged brush and multiple plush microfibers. Because these wheels are not that dirty, we're just going to come in right away with our Wise Guy and spray down both our tire and wheel surfaces. But if you're nervous about scratching the wheels or you have a heavy buildup of brake dust, you can pre-spray your wheel surfaces with your rinseless wash to help loosen some of the dirt and make the wash method safer. Now we're going to use our extremely soft brush to clean our tires and wheels. For wheels with spokes, I will use this brush as well. We're going to fine-tune our wheel surfaces using a plush microfiber just to get in all those tight spaces, wipe off any excess, and then actually come in with a car blower and blow out any of the remaining rinseless solution that's on the surface. And then after that, we're going to come in again with our microfiber, just wipe off any of the remaining residue that's on your surface. Finish up with our dryer just to make sure everything looks nice and clean. And then we're going to apply our CarPro tire dressing, our Purist Wheel Protectant, and just like that, in under 5 minutes, our tires and wheels are cleaned and protected. Once everything is done, it will make a little bit of a mess on your garage floor, but I use my Autofiber garage mop to mop up afterwards, and actually the rinseless wash makes cleaning my garage floor very effective. Would I do this on wheels that haven't been cleaned in an extremely long time? No. I probably would use a stronger cleaner and hose and water, because sometimes if your wheels haven't been cleaned in months, if not close to years, you might need something more like an acid-based cleaner, and I don't want to use that on my garage floors. But wheels like this that are just average soil condition, this is a perfect way to just very quickly clean your customers or your tires and wheels, even in the wintertime, and to keep up with maintenance. And really, that's what's going to make doing a rinseless wash possible moving forward, because if you keep up with it, it's going to be a lot easier to maintain, and that is where a rinseless wash is really going to be very ideal and perfect for the scenario. So even though I may not use this technique on every vehicle, especially if they're covered in snow and salt or really neglected wheels, most vehicles that I see on a day-to-day basis, even if they have wheel spokes and I'm using that microfiber wheel brush, I'm able to get really great results that my customers have been very satisfied. They honestly can't tell the difference if I've used a standard hose or a rinseless wash method. So hopefully this helps you out, Mark, and other viewers who maybe you're struggling in this area. But make sure you guys stay tuned for future videos that we have coming out. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next detail.